Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can fix rich text editor is not showing in your webmail. First of all, log into the hosting package. Here you can see login into the cPanel. After that, go to email accounts. Now let's log into our email address. Click here open button. Here you can see we are in our email address. Let's click here, create new message. Here you can see on the top there is no rich text editor. Also you can see no other link options and text alignment options that are not showing. How we can fix these? Just click here settings. After that, here you can see these are various options. Just click here composing messages. Now on the right side here you can see compose HTML messages. Just click here, and here you can see these are various options. Just click here always, then click on save. Now just click here create a message. Here you can see on the top it has various options to format your text. Then click here on the three dots. Here you can see the next options. Now you can create links in your email. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.